Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my October beauty favorites try on makeup tutorial style. You guys know, if you guys don't know, I like to put on all the products that I've been loving tutorial style. So in case you're wondering why does she not have any makeup on and she's filming a favorites beauty video, what's going on? That's why. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica, aka The Mexican Beauty, and I make videos on all things beauty and lifestyle. So I really hope that you decide to join our family today. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, because that will really help me out to continue to grow here on YouTube. It also makes sure that you get notified as soon as I upload. And while you're at it, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, The Mexican Beauty. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this phase. Okay, so I already went ahead and did some of the steps. I quickly do want to say, if you are new, if there are certain things that I don't include, like primer or brow products, it's because there are no favorites for that specific product. So I'm only going to be showing you guys how I apply my favorites. So we are not wearing any lip balm, so I am here to talk about a lip balm that I've been obsessed with. This is the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm in PSL, Pumpkin Spice Latte, and this one quickly became one of my favorite lip balms to rock during the season. You guys know that I always need to have my lip balm because I like to have hydrated lips as I do my makeup. So, and we're gonna move on to our eyes right now. So I'm quickly just gonna go ahead and prep the eyes. I'm gonna be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I actually started using this because I couldn't find the primer that I used to use, the P. Louise base. So I went ahead and just said, you know what, let me go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape because that one worked really well, especially if you don't want to invest in a primer for your eyes. The best thing you can do is use a nice, thick, more matte concealer, and that will be great to just make sure that all the eyeshadows really latch onto your eyes. So I highly recommend that. Okay, so a palette that I've been loving a lot this month is the Hocus Pocus ColourPop Disney collab that we have right here. The first shade that I'm gonna go ahead and start out with is right here on Toast. This is one of my most used shades from the palette. I really love it. I just feel like it's such a pretty color to just kind of go all over that crease, which you guys know that I love a good crease color. We're gonna go ahead and take the next shade, which is Bewitched right here. So we have those two colors right on our crease. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the next shade, which is going to be Yabos right here. And we are going to be taking a flat brush. I just love this packaging. And we're just going to be placing that all on the lid. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna take another brush. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna take Bewitched, that dark green that we used, and we're just gonna put that on the outer corner. Really gonna make this kind of like a green vibe, just because of the fact that I feel like whenever I think, like now that we're moving into November, we're actually in November as we speak, I feel like such a fun thing to do is play with those olive greens, especially for like Thanksgiving Day inspiration. I feel like these olive greens just kind of like really give the look that extra life. So I've literally been on the fence about the Kylie Cosmetics like Cheetah collection. I think that that palette is so beautiful for the fall time, but I just don't know, like I really don't know. I want to recreate the look that James Charles did on her. Now I do want to say I really am interested in the lip color. It just looks so pretty, and lately I've been so into matte lipsticks just because that's pretty much all I can wear when I go out and I'm wearing a mask. So I've been thinking about it, but I wish that they brought the collections to like Ulta like when they launched, because I feel like that would be so much better, and I feel like more people are more inclined to buy like in store. Now we're gonna go in with another technique that I've been so obsessed with lately, and I feel like it's been like game changer for me, so I really just kind of wanna do it. So this is the Mattes palette, and I have been so obsessed with doing wing liner with eyeshadow. I just feel like it gives me a softer finish, and sometimes I don't really necessarily want that super intense, harsh look. So let me come closer to you guys, and I'm gonna be starting off with a brown. So I'm actually gonna take this brown right here. I'm gonna be taking this brown right here, and we are just going to be doing a wing with eyeshadow. These are so pigmented, these matte shadows by Mario. Like, he really did that with this palette. I really like to kind of smoke it all around. You want the line to be like as diffused as possible, but still obviously noticeable. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply our lashes. I'm gonna be using these Araceli Beauty lashes that I have here. I like them because they're kind of like spiky. I feel like they really allow you to like see the whole look. So we have one lash on. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do this eye off camera, and then we can go ahead and move on to the rest of our favorites for this month. But I mean, what are we thinking so far? I feel like this eye is like everything. Okay, so I went ahead and completed both of the eyes. So now we can go ahead and move on to our complexion, which I'm really excited to dive into. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do for complexion is foundation. I already went ahead and primed and did all that stuff off camera because no new favorites yet for primers. But this month I was really just feeling the Rare Beauty foundation. So I'm putting on the foundation 330N, and I am using the sponge, which looks so crusty right now because I've been using it nonstop. But this is the new Cookie Cosmetics sponge, and I'm obsessed with this sponge. It is the softest sponge ever. I want to say it's like $5 on Cookie Cosmetics' website. So I highly recommend you guys check it out. You guys can use my coupon code, TheMexBeauty, and save yourself 25% off your purchase. I'm telling you, when you get the sponge, you will not regret it. You'll be like, thank you so much, Jessica, for this amazing recommendation, because like, it just changed my life. So we have a foundation on, and I think that's enough for us today. We're gonna be going in with our concealer. I'm gonna be using this concealer by the Lip Bar. It is such a great concealer. It's the Quick Conceal. It's really nice and hydrating. It covers what it needs to cover. I am in the shade 2 Honey. And the Lip Bar is a Black-owned brand at Target, and also you can find this specific concealer on their website right now. Another favorite for this month is the Rare Beauty concealer sponge. I've been using this a lot because I feel like it does a really good job of getting into these little tiny areas right next to the eye. So I really just kind of like to apply it all over the eye, and it just creates such a pretty, healthy finish. I really love this concealer by the Lip Bar because it's just so hydrating, like really hydrating, and it blends right in with the foundation. It gives you such great coverage, like it's stunning. And then this concealer brush by Rare Beauty, it's like angled perfectly where it just helps you get in all these little crevices. Right now I want to quickly move into a little bit of contour and blush. I'm gonna be using this Reina Rebelde Coqueta On Your Face trio. It looks like this. I have been obsessed with. So Reina Rebelde is a Latina-owned brand. They, I think, were the first Latina-owned brand to really be super inclusive and offer something really special for Latinas and of course everybody else. But they were really just down with the roots of being Latina-owned. And I love Reina Rebelde. I've been working with them and I've been knowing about them since they started, and it's just so beautiful to see them grow. They are in Target, they're in Walmart, they are on their website. It's just an amazing, beautiful Latina-owned brand. Highly recommend you guys check it out. But they have this trio, which this is one of the items that they came out with when they first launched, but they reformulated their formula, so it's a little bit more on the like pigmented, creamier, easier to use side, which I really love the way that they have, you know, made sure to continue to grow and not only grow their brand, but grow their products so that they can be the best that they can possibly be. I do want to go in with the blush because the blush is stunning. So we're going to be taking this blush right here. You guys can see how pigmented that is, especially for like my person on the go. This is great because you have 3-in-1. So you don't have to worry so much about having to just, you know, have to carry a bunch of different products in your purse or your makeup bag. Like you can just have everything in one situation. So I'm just going in and doing that blush there. Then I'm gonna go in with the highlighter, which is so beautiful. It's like this really pretty gold color that I feel like suits like my skin tone so well. Like obviously I'm like olive tan. So I'm gonna be going in with this, and I'm just taking my Araceli brush that I love so much, another Latina owned brand, and you guys can see, like, look at that highlight. It is stunning. Whenever I have a good highlighter, I just want to keep going in with more and more, and you guys can see, like, it just looks so good. And now we're gonna do this next technique that I really like to do. I'm gonna take out these clips because I feel like we don't really need them anymore. They're so good though, just to kind of keep the hair out of the way. I'm like, yes, thank you. Okay, so let me fix this hair. Now what I want to do is I want to set the face, just because I do have oily skin. I want to make sure that we are in place. So I'm going to be using this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. I've been obsessed with this. It's been such a good setting powder, just for like a certain area. So what I like to do is I like to really press it in where I get very oily. So like around my nose, my smile lines are just awful sometimes. Down here, the T-zone a little bit. And I like to do this step right before I'm completely done with my makeup, just because I want to make sure that I have applied all the face products that I want to apply: blush, contour, highlight, all that fun stuff. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do that technique that I learned with the IT Cosmetics team on their masterclass event that they invited me to, where I take the IT Cosmetics brow pencil and universal taupe and use it as liner. I did it a little bit lighter today, just because I wanted to not have it be too dramatic. And then I'm gonna be taking this gloss that I've been so obsessed with by Buxom. It's the Pumpkin Spice Latte. It's a lip plumping gloss. It smells so good. It smells like fall. I have that. And now I'm gonna go in with setting spray. I'm gonna be using my IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better setting spray with skin loving ingredients. It has that aloe vera extract and coconut, and this gives you 16-hour wear of your makeup. I just love this stuff, so good. So let's set this beautiful masterpiece so that it doesn't go anywhere. Literally smells like I'm on a tropical vacation. Like, I just cannot get enough of this. So definitely check out this IT Cosmetics setting spray. Sephora sale, like I mentioned, a lot of these products you can find at the Sephora sale that's happening right now. So I definitely recommend you guys check out as many of these as you can, because this is the perfect time to do that quick shopping where you get a little bit of a discount. This is the completed look using all of my favorites for the month of October. On my face, I am so obsessed with how this look turned out. I feel like October is like one of my favorite months for favorites videos, just because I feel like the makeup is just honestly one of my favorite color schemes, and all the products that have been coming out are incredible. There's such good products that I highly recommend you guys check out on your own time. I will have everything linked down below in my description box. You guys can go ahead and check them out, so that you guys can fall in love with them as much as I am. If you guys have any recommendations on your favorite products for the month of October, leave them down below so that I can go ahead and check them out as well, because I'm always on the hunt for new products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did enjoy watching my favorites try on video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let's me know to continue doing these types of videos for you guys. I love doing these types of videos for you guys because I literally always got you guys covered with the best of the best. So thumbs up, and I will be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. So don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful, and we'll be talking soon. Bye guys.